Ready? Come on. Slide down slowly, slowly. 1, 2, 3, go. Whee! Look at that hair. Come on. Go up again. Wanna go again? There, you can't go there. Go through the ladder. The stairs. Come on. Go with mommy. Baby, you have to let him go, not you. Alright, let's do the other slide now. Okay, first, tell her, you have to say cheese first. Say smile, smile. Cheese. Go, go. Whee. Yes. Alright.